All right, welcome back to another video here. I said I was going to do a quick overview of the Clicks keyboard for iPhone. This is an iPhone 16 Pro Max. So I'll turn on screen sharing on the iPhone and then I can put the video beside. But yeah, I really like it. And there's a couple reasons. So like for quick app switching, I really like the fact that I can just hit Command Space, type in Safari, hit Enter, and then I can go back to my app really quickly, right? So I use that feature probably all the time, especially when alternating between like Chat GPT and some of my developer apps that I'm using. Um, so you've got a couple things. You've got the dictation, so I can just hit a button and say CD space whatever, and then end dictation. And it does that really well. And it's nice to have the dictation button so readily available. Um, it's got tab keys, right? So for me as a programmer, I usually use the tab to like autofill when I get into a directory. And so, going up, right, that's pretty sweet. I like the fact that like if I'm SSH somewhere, like on a server, I've got the keyboard and I can do like all the same things that I would do on a normal keyboard. I do like that a lot. Um, what else do I do with this? I think typing is really fast. I mean, I can type really fast, kind of. I really like using this keyboard. I find it enjoyable. Um, so I typed fine. I don't really see that as a issue, and that probably is because I've used these little Blackberries for so long. Um, you've got this one button that loads up the keyboard, and this is great. Like, so you can get access to like special symbols really quickly. And I actually use this quite a bit for passwords. So the one thing that I have a bit of an issue with is when I go to log in order for me to autofill for my Apple ID, I have to hit that button to load up the autofill option, and that's one thing that could be improved. But Shift works really good. Like you hold it, for your capitals. It's pretty quick. You hold the numbers, you got access to all your numbers like that. That's pretty quick. Um, yeah, all in all, I mean, I prefer this. I know it's long. I mean, this is a really long phone. It's like a weapon, but I do prefer it because um it's more natural to me. So like I can sit here and be typing and programming out an app, switching between apps really quickly and searching for things. And once you get to know the commands, which are very similar to my laptop, it really does feel nice. Like I can copy paste, right? So if I like grab this ls command and I just do like command v enter, I can paste that. So imagine me switching back to like chat gpt. I copy out some code and I want to paste it in a file like this, like nano text, and I hit command v and then I hit control o, right? And it is nice. It's very fluid. It's kind of what I'm used to. So yeah, I'm a fan of it. The only complaint is it's long. I mean, a lot of people said it's heavy. A lot of people say, oh, it's heavy, 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 but it's not heavy. I mean, I mean, it's pretty light considering what it is, but it is long. And I don't know what they could do to improve that, like slide out or something in the future, like what Planetcom did. But you know, it's really good. So check in with me in a couple months. Once I've owned it for like half a year, maybe I'll do another review and see if I'm still using it. But I think as a programming tool, for me, this is a must. The copy paste feature alone is worth it, right? So yeah, really happy with it. But if you have any questions, let me know. But yeah, I really like it, and